aspirants, welcome in Achievers Academy. Hope you all are doing your best efforts for upcoming examination and believe it can be done. Trust me, if you believe it can be done. With this positive note, today we are going to take one of the important topics of MPPSC, and that is art and culture of MP. It comes in pre-exams as well as in mains exam, and it is very easy topics to cover, and it can be a score booster for upcoming examination. And we are covering two subtopics in this. One is the tribes of MP and second is the art form of tribes. So start. As you can see on the screen, two of the major tribes that have a very significant presence in tribal art form in Madhya Pradesh are Bhil and Gond. Apart from these, the Bega, Korku, Maria, Saharia and many others have also played essential role in the development of Adivasi art and craft. Some of the most spectacular tribal art form that are the pride of Madhya Pradesh are Mandna paintings. So let's describe what the Mandna paintings are and how they can be built and how they are important. So usually drawn for the religious and the auspicious ceremony. Every painting has particular ceremony, particular auspicious occasion when they are built, and Mandna have religious and auspicious ceremony occasions. Mandna are intricate food paintings so symmetrical and visibly stunning that it looks impossible to replicate them by hand. The surface is usually prepared with the mix of clay, cow dung and red soil, while patterns are drawn with chalk and lime powder. So it is a very beautiful. Mandna paintings looks stunning. And next painting comes Chitravan and Pana, a very fascinating art form of Madhya Pradesh. Chitravan also has roots in religious ceremony. These exceptionally beautiful wall paintings usually show depiction of celestial being, animal, birds and goddess and plants. Usually Chitrapan and Pana are depicted with not drawings and any other geometrical figures. They are having animals, birds, god and goddess and even plants in that. So next comes the painting requires extreme dexterity as no outline. In Chatravana and Pana, there is no outline initially and each stroke shapes the final design. Which these paintings are presented on paper, they take the name Pana, and it is also very famous in tribal culture. And next comes the Pithora painting, as you see on the screen, prevalent among the Bhil tribes. Which tribes use this? That is the Bhil tribe. And Bhil tribe of Madhya Pradesh, Pithora paintings are more than just wonderful figures and patterns holding great religious importance. The creation of these artwork involve a complete ceremony accomplished by music and dancing. So it is very important that this painting accomplished by music and dancing. What is interesting to note here is that earlier version used to depict animal, plants, surroundings, objects, and the one present now have modern depiction like car, planes, bikes and gun. It's amazing. So next come, as we know, the Gond is the prevalent tribe in MP. It is originated in tribal community of Gond, which also happens to be one of the largest Adivasi communities of India. The Gond paintings comprise of intricately designed motifs and tattoos. It is very important that these paintings have motifs and tattoos. What set the art apart is the thought process that goes beyond the creation of each piece. The Gond art form fuels on the ideology of viewing a good image garners of good luck, and hence these viewing a good image garners of good luck, and hence these art pieces have adorned the walls and the huts of communities since ages. If you will see their houses, it has like the good signs and the good luck which are in these art form. The art pieces are today available on canvas also, and the dashes, dots and the fine lines filled in the unique shape gives a striking edge. The bright colors state in individualism of the art form, which also gained accolades and internationally. And now comes the Thapa painting. The Thapa drawing are usually made by women using household like items like sindoor, ghee, kumkum and mehndi mixed with cow dung. How herbal preparation it is. It's amazing. The pattern are usually handprint with varied depiction of god. Again, here they use god and goddess and thapa, usually in a single color, though multiple colors might also be used. The spectacular pattern drawn with utmost perfection are used to protect the household from evil spirits and elements. And the next art form comes Gudna motifs, practiced primarily by Gond and Bhils. Very important that this is prevalent in Gonds and Bhils. Gudna is not merely another wall or ground painting art form. This style of painting is performed on the body of tribes of men and women. The body parts are pierced with the needle, and these piercing is injected with lamp soot, harsinga flower, juice or kumkum for addition colors. Tohar Singar. This is used to create different patterns on the body part, which are used to ward off all evil, help in fertility and prosperous harvest. See the importance of every art form which is found in the tribal culture. And next come Bharwa Shilp. Bharwa Shilp, the Bhairava community of Madhya Pradesh is renowned for their astounding metal crafting skill by which they create masterpieces like toys, figurines, anklets, utility items like lamps and utensils. These articles are exquisitely made and are in huge demand for all practical purpose to serve as a decor item. Many a times you can see all these items in different type of handicraft fair also. Though we had tried to list few excuse me, yeah, though we have tried to list few of the most popular tribal art form of Madhya Pradesh, mere words can simply not do justice to the incredible treasure trove of art and crafts of the Hindustan ka dil holds in its bosom. To experience and understand the miraculous work done by these Adivasi, one has to see it in person. So stop making excuses, procrastinate later, and rush to the majestic Madhya Pradesh for an experience so surreal, so surreal. It will help and it will make you and keep you amazed. So this is the importance of art and culture of tribal. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Achievers Academy. Don't forget to comment and for asking different type of videos and next topics for upcoming competitive exams. Your feedback is very much important for us. Thanks again. Thanks for watching Achievers Academy lecture session.